The topic of today's video is how to return clothes on Shein. So here we are on Shein, and what you want to do is move to the profile icon on the bottom right of the screen here. Now in here you'll be able to see the My Orders section, and I haven't placed any orders, but you will have orders over here and you just need to click on them and there will be a returns option. Now Shein will arrange a pickup for your order based on your address, and the first return of the order is free. However, any additional returns from the same order will have deductions on them of about $10 roundabout. Please make sure that the clothing items are still in good condition, the way that they were received, that they still have all their tags on and so forth. They haven't been washed, the general things when returning items. And they say your request will be processed within 5 business days after they receive the return, and then the refund will be issued to your Shein wallet or the original payment account as per your request. And that is it, guys. That is how you are going to return items on Shein. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.